note that a direct comparison between the 2026 Ford Bronco-Electric SUV and the 2026 BYD Tang can be challenging due to limited and evolving information. The details about these vehicles, especially for model year 2026, are based on manufacturer announcements, industry reports, and pre-production specifications, and may be subject to change. Here is a comparison based on the available information. 2026 Ford Bronco-Electric SUV. Status and market. The 2026 Ford Bronco-Electric and its EREV, extended range electric vehicle, variant have been officially unveiled for the Chinese market. It is not yet confirmed if a similar electric model will be available in other markets, such as North America. The vehicle is a result of a partnership between Ford and Zhongling Motors, JMC. Battery and range. The Bronco-EV will be equipped with a 105.4 kWh lithium iron phosphate, LFP, blade battery, sourced from BYD. This is a notable collaboration. The electric version is expected to have a CLTC-rated range of up to 650 km, 404 miles. The EREV version will have a smaller 43.7 kWh battery, providing a 220 km, 137 miles, pure electric range, with a total range of up to 1,220 km when combined with the 1.5L internal combustion engine. Performance. The all-electric Bronco will feature a dual-motor, all-wheel drive, AWD, powertrain. The front motor is rated at 130 kilowatts, 177 HP, and the rear motor at 202 kilowatts, 275 HP, with a combined output of 232 kilowatts, 311 HP. The top speed is reported to be 170 km per hour, 106 mph. Design and dimensions. The Bronco-EV is noted to be larger than the standard Bronco and is a 5-seater SUV. Its dimensions are 5,025 mm, length, 1,960 mm, width, and 1,815 mm, height, with a 2,950 mm wheelbase. Pricing. Estimated pricing for the Chinese market is between 300,000 and 400,000 yuan, which translates to approximately $42,000 to $55,000 USD. 2026 BYD Tang, with blade battery. Status and market. The BYD Tang EV is a well-established all-electric SUV that has been on the market for several years. It is widely available in China and various international markets, including Europe and the Middle East. The Tang already utilizes BYD's blade battery technology. Updates for the 2026 model year are expected to be incremental improvements to the existing platform. Battery and range. The current BYD Tang flagship model has a 108.8 kWh usable battery capacity. Its real-world range is reported to be around 460 km, 286 miles. The blade battery is known for its safety, durability, and a longer life cycle of over 5,000 charge and discharge cycles. Performance. The Tang EV flagship has a total power output of 380 kilowatts, 517 HP, and 700 nanometers of torque. It is an all-wheel drive vehicle with an impressive 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time of 4.9 seconds. The top speed is 190 km per hour, 118 mph. Design and dimensions. The Tang is a 7-seater SUV with dimensions of 4,900 mm, length, 1,950 mm, width, and 1,725 mm, height, with a 2,820 mm wheelbase. Pricing. Pricing for the BYD Tang varies significantly by market and trim level. Some listings for a 2026 model show prices in the range of $299,990,000 Colombian Pesos, approximately $75,000 USD, and in Egypt at $2,400,000 EGP, approximately $77,000 USD. Key takeaways. BYD's influence. The most interesting aspect of this comparison is that the 2026 Ford Bronco-EV for China will use a BYD-supplied blade battery. This highlights BYD's significant position as a global leader in EV battery technology. Target audience. The Bronco is positioned as a rugged, off-road capable vehicle, a heritage it will likely carry into its electric version. The BYD Tang, while capable, is more of a high-performance, family-oriented SUV. Performance and price. the BYD Tang appears to have a significant advantage in terms of raw power and acceleration, while the Ford Bronco-EV is expected to be more affordable, at least based on the Chinese market pricing. Range: the Ford Bronco-EV, with its larger battery and official CLTC rating, appears to have a longer range on paper, though this can vary significantly based on driving conditions and the testing cycle. The BYD Tang's real range figure is a more practical indicator. As you requested, here is a continuation of the comparison between the 2026 Ford Bronco-Electric SUV and the 2026 BYD Tang, with additional details on their availability, technology, and market positioning. Availability and market strategy. Ford Bronco-Electric SUV, China only for now. A key point to understand is that the 2026 Ford Bronco-Electric is a new energy vehicle designed specifically for the Chinese market. It is a product of Ford's joint venture with Zhongling Motors, JMC. This model, which looks like a cross between a Bronco and a Bronco Sport, is not currently slated for a global release, particularly not in the US or European markets. Ford has not confirmed any plans to bring this specific model to other regions. This suggests a strategic move by Ford to compete in China's booming EV market with a model tailored to local consumer preferences, which often favor a tech-forward and slightly more urban-friendly approach to rugged SUVs. BYD Tang, global availability. In contrast, the BYD Tang is a global vehicle. It is a flagship model for BYD in numerous international markets, including Europe, Southeast Asia, and parts of South America. The Tang has already been on sale for several years and is being continuously updated. The 2026 model year will likely represent an evolution of the existing platform, with potential improvements to battery technology, software, and minor design tweaks. This established global presence gives the Tang a strong foothold in a wide range of markets, appealing to a diverse customer base. Technology and features. Ford Bronco-Electric SUV. While the interior of the China market Bronco-EV has not been fully revealed, reports indicate it will feature a smart cockpit with multiple scene modes such as naps, pets, and camping overnight. This suggests a focus on lifestyle-oriented features and high-tech amenities. The presence of laser radar and 30+ high-precision sensors/cameras for assisted driving points to an advanced ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, suite, a crucial selling point in the Chinese market. The chassis, unlike the US Bronco's ladder frame, is a more car-like unibody construction, which likely improves on-road comfort but may reduce its rugged off-road capabilities compared to its gasoline-powered sibling. BYD Tang. The BYD Tang is known for its feature-rich interior, which includes a signature 15.6-inch electric rotating touchscreen, Dynaudio sound system with 12 speakers, and a multi-gradient ambient lighting system. It also comes standard with a heat pump system for efficient temperature management and a vehicle-to-load (V2L) function, which allows the car to power external devices. The Tang has received a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating, and its ADAS is well regarded. It is built on BYD's E-platform, which is designed for efficient and safe EV architecture. Charging and efficiency. Ford Bronco-Electric SUV. The Bronco-EV will use a BYD Blade battery, known for its safety and durability. Ford has not yet released full charging specifications, but the use of the Blade battery and the focus on high-voltage fast charging suggest it will be capable of competitive charging speeds. BYD Tang. The BYD Tang flagship model has a max DC charging power of 170 kilowatts, allowing it to charge from 30% to 80% in about 30 minutes. The vehicle also supports AC charging at 11 kilowatts. Its standard heat pump helps to maintain efficiency in a wider range of temperatures, which is a significant advantage in varying climates. The vehicle-to-load (V2L) capability is also a key selling point, enabling the Tang to act as a mobile power source.